Hey everyone, it's the Eclectic Handyman. Today here on this BMW 325i Touring, and the reverse bulb on this side is working and on this side is burnt out. Let's get it fixed. On this E46 Touring model here, there is this cover on the back inside of the tailgate. It has 3 tabs that need to be released, and then it'll come off. You can either use a flathead screwdriver or a trim tool, and once you pull that out, then you can just begin to pry each one away. There we go. You can remove it. Now, there's this foam insulation. We can see each side. So we'll come over here to the side that's problematic. There is 1 tab right here. You simply just push that gently. The housing comes out. And here is our problematic bulb. To remove it, just turn it counterclockwise and it pulls right out. I have a set of brand new bulbs, and just because this was so cheap, I'm just going to go ahead and replace both for good practice right now. These are the 7506. I'll leave a link below. Insert the new bulb, gently push down, turn it clockwise. It'll be locked in place. Reinsert the housing until this clicks, just like that. Close the insulation. Repeat on the other side as needed. Reinsert the tabs into their respective slots on this decorative carpet piece here in the trunk, making sure they're all in line, and you should just be able to push all of the tabs back in place. Go ahead and check the operation. We've got one side working, and we've got the other side, that was the problematic side, working as well. Anyway, quick video. Hope this helps you on your BMW, and until next time, this is the Eclectic Handyman. We'll see you later.